100 rupees only. Power generation, already Professor Sonde has touched upon all these issues. I am skipping. Then there is thermochemical conversions, gasification and pyrolysis. So making charcoal, it is very popularly being used. In fact, the manufacturing of steel was started by biomass energy, this charcoal only. In fact, also that first car was driven by bioenergy, biofuel. But time has changed and time again will change. There are biological conversions also and different technologies and techniques already in place. We see, though they are not very popular yet, but in future these technologies are gaining more and more popularity. They will become more popular, no doubt about that. This densification, making briquettes and pellets of biomass to make it easily transportable and combustible also. Then gas hydrates, because the issue was raised, I can take a little time on this, that there are a number of potential sites, and India is also amongst that. We have very rich amount of gas hydrates which are available as ice-like crystalline solids formed from a mixture of water and hydrocarbon gas at offshore seabed. And there is an estimation that how much India is having gas hydrate is estimated to have 1894 trillion cubic meters, with compared to only 1.33 trillion cubic meters we have for natural gas. And that has already become successfully tried in Japan in 2013. One successful trial has been made on gas hydrate, that successfully they have explored and utilized the gas hydrate from offshore. Some cases from our experience also, biomass can be sufficient energy source in some rural areas. We have studied this since 1998 in Sundarban, also in Malda, and at present in Chhattisgarh. And our firm conviction, at least in 2 previous villages, that there are many villages in India where it can be self-sufficient in terms of energy needs through only biomass resource, utilization of the locally available biomass resource. This is a new technology development that gassing, I must make some reference, that they have developed one energy efficient system, biogasifier, which produce biogas of more than 3000 kilocalorie per meter cube, and more than double that normal value, because they do not use air for gasification. They use steam for gasification, so nitrogen is not present, so the gas calorific value has increased, and this technology has been proven because it is working since 2001. So Indianization of that is in a very advanced stage of R&D, and we soon perhaps will see such systems in India, which will be also equally applicable for cogeneration. As we know that cogeneration efficiency can be more than 80%. So to conclude, I would say that there are different estimations that bioenergy can supply even 30% of our primary energy need, up to even 210%. There are different scenarios of estimation. And the process integration, as Dr. Sonde also mentioned, that bio-SPV, bio-wind, because bioenergy is a naturally stored energy, and in solar energy we have a challenge of storing power in batteries, which makes the system at least 30% costlier. So if we, it is the last one. So if we can conclude, if we can combine these two as a hybrid system, so obviously the applicability of such resources will be much, much higher. And so as there are many ministries are involved, as we have seen in today's plenary session also, as Professor Gupta was also pointing out, that proper coordination and cooperation for a huge country like India, which is natural it to be a great challenge, but that is to be overcome if we want to really excel in the field of energy scenario and proper to become a sustainable energy resourceful country. So with this I would like to mention about Swami Vivekananda. After he visited all the developed countries, particularly USA and Europe, he said that but education has yet to be in the world, and civilization has begun nowhere yet. And that is in energy case also we find that we waste about 30% energy because of negligence. At least 50% potential we are not utilizing because of our lack of education. And if we continue to do so, it will be self-annihilation. So with this I acknowledge my resources, support from Professor S.C. Bhattacharya in particular, but in general about entire faculty members, my colleagues in IISWBM, particularly Bengal Chamber, because we are seeing that from the starting, perhaps 2007, now it has become a very big forum with the dedicated effort of the team of Mr. Ghosh and others. Now, WebReda also we have used some resources, and GP Energy and IREDA, MNRE and Google and other websites. And with this I conclude by saying that if there is any lacuna, please excuse me because of my ignorance and lack of education. And if it is anything good, it is because of the organizers. Thank you very much.
That brings us to the end of the session. Angana, for the mementos, please.
Thank you, sir. May we request Mr. Mukherjee to please present mementos to our distinguished speakers. To Ms. Dr. Sonde. To Mr. Singh. To Dr. De. And to Dr. Chaudhary. Sir, for the presentation of the center.
Now a very pleasant task. Please don't leave, because this is the most important part of the conclave. We would like to give certificates. That's a token of recognition from Bengal Chamber side to all the kids who have participated in the sit and draw competition. May I request Professor Sujoy Basu, one of our veterans, to please Mr. Saurav Kumar, who, please come up on the stage, and if you don't mind, on the dais and give away the certificates. Mr. Saurav Kumar, Mr. Sanjay Seth, and of course, Mr. Ghosh. Shutanu, please. You are the leader of the committee, so you have to now do the honors. So why didn't you now come back to him, giving away the certificates?
Thank you. The first certificate goes to Abhipsha Das, Loreto Day School. I would request my colleague Orno and Tanya to help the kids. Abhipsha Das, Loreto Day School. I think Abhipsha is not here. Oh, she is here. Come. Towards life as well? Hope Foundation. Now I would call up the kids of Hope Foundation. Yeah. Loreto, there is only one student. Hope Foundation, M.D. Barun. Santosh Kumar Shaw. Khushbu Singh. Shobhik Pal. Shubhankar Das. Shobhik Pal. Khushbu Singh, have you collected your certificate? Shobhik Pal not there. Shubhankar Das. Ali. Ashik Ali. Guriya Singh. Gyan Prakash Kumar. BHT Kumar. Halima Khatun. Rakhi Hayat. Rakhi Hayat. Rakhi Hayat is from Towards Life Foundation? Okay, so Rakhi, please wait. Achal Jha. Achal Jha. Nandini Thakur. Avilasha Haldar.
Only these few are there from home.
Tushar Das. Shushmita Haldar. Laboni Das.
Not there.
Debjani Das.
Debjani Bose is there.
She is Bose, তাহলে আমাদের সার্টিফিকেটটা কারেক্ট করতে হবে।
She's there.
She is Debjani Bose. Yeah, we will correct it. Pooja Haldar. Now I'm calling Techno India. Now I would request the students of Techno India Group Public School. Dhrubojyoti Roy.
Dhrubojyoti Roy, Techno India.
Injushri Rakshit. Inju Rakshit. Tanushri Das. Poulomi Sarkar. Thank you. Now, I would like the students of Towards Life Foundation to come up. Shahil Roy. Towards Life Foundation. Shahil Roy. Putul Kumari. Putul Kumari. প্রথমেই তো লেখা আছে সাহিল রয়।
Putul Kumari not there.
Putul Kumari. Is Putul Kumari here? Have you written the names who are here from Towards Life? Shahil Roy is there. Rakhi Hayat.
Ashini Putul Kumari nahi. Rakhi Hayat.
Sneha Hayat. Lopa, help Udada. Help Udada to get the certificate fast. He has certified it. Any problem, Udayda?
তুই এখান থেকে দিকে বলছিস কেন? এইটার থেকে দিকে বলে আমি আমার তো এইখান থেকে সাজানো আছে।
আচ্ছা বলো তুমি তাহলে তাই তাই। साहिल रॉय, पुतुल कुमारी, दिया बाग, दिया बाग, राहुल हायत, राखी हायत, नॉट राहुल हायत। ধর এটা দেখলে আমার হবে না। দিয়া বাগ, মুস্কান কুমারী রয়, अनुशुआ, पूजा हाल्ट,
পূজা নেই, পূজা পাল নেই, পূজা হায়াত আছে। পূজা হায়াত।
अनुशुआ আছে, कनिपा,
নেই।
कनिपा is not there, तुषार सरदार,
তুষার সর্দার ইজ দেয়ার।
तुषार सरदार,
হ্যাঁ? তৃষা সর্দার।
ঠিক আছে আমরা চেঞ্জ করে দেবো, ওগুলো তো
সার্টিফিকেটটা নিয়ে যাও, আমরা চেঞ্জটা পরে করে দিচ্ছি। সার্টিফিকেট নিয়ে যাও।
স্বপ্না হায়াত,
স্বপ্না হায়াত।
অরিত্র দাস, অয়ন রয়,
অয়ন রয়।
কোয়েল পাত্র, হালিমা খাতুন, প্রিয়াঙ্কা হায়াত,
নেই। প্রিয়াঙ্কা হায়াত।
সুমন পাল,
প্রিয়াঙ্কা হায়াত।
প্রিয়াঙ্কা হায়াত,
সুমন পাল যাও।
অভিলাষা হালদার,
অভিলাষা হালদার আছে তো?
রোহিত দাস, নন্দিনী ঠাকুর, নন্দিনী ঠাকুর,
নেই। নেই নেই।
তুলিনা খাতুন,
নেই।
টুকুস দাস, প্রীতি সর্দার,
প্রীতি সর্দার।
প্রীতি সর্দার,
প্রীতি দাস। সর্দার কেউ নেই। তুমি সার্টিফিকেটটা নিয়ে নাও, আমরা পরে চেঞ্জ করে দিচ্ছি।
মুস্কান রয়,
মুস্কান রয় আছে তো? মুস্কান রয় আছে। মুস্কান রয়। কোথায় পেয়ে গেছো?
আঁচল জয়সওয়াল,
আচ্ছা জেসপাল আছে। হ্যাঁ ওটা না নেই।
নীলম,
আচ্ছা পাঠবা।
আমি জানি না স্যার, আমি জানি না। তনুশ্রী শাহ, সানি পাল, দীপক প্রসাদ আছে, দীপক প্রসাদ, আরতি কুমারী,
আরতি কুমারী প্রসাদ।
অগ্রতি মণ্ডল, সুব্রত অধিকারী। আর কেউ বাকি আছে এখানে? সাহিল রয় এসছে।
সার্টিফিকেট আছে সাহেল রয়।
ওনার কি নাম?
তাহলে আমরা সার্টিফিকেট লিখে দেবো।
লিখে এক্ষুনি লিখে দিয়ে দেন।
আচ্ছা, যাদের সার্টিফিকেট লিখতে হবে এবং চেঞ্জ করতে হবে তারা একটা জায়গা দাঁড়ান।
তোমার নাম কি সাউথ পয়েন্ট থেকে?
ঈশানী কুন্ডু।
We would now call Ishani Kundu
ঈশানী কুন্ডু
from South Point School. উদয়দা সাউথ পয়েন্ট স্কুলটা দিয়ে যাও। ঈশানী কুন্ডু সাউথ পয়েন্ট স্কুল। আমি টুয়ার্ডস লাইফের সব সার্টিফিকেটই তোমাদের হাতে দিয়ে দিই। আপনাদের
সবাই পেয়েছো?
ডাকছি। বিদ্যাভারতী স্কুল, স্নেহা ঘোষ, স্নেহা ঘোষ, সুকন্যা সরকার,
আছে তো। স্নেহা পল আছে।
স্নেহা পল আরেকজন আছে,
স্নেহা
বিদিশা শেঠ, স্নেহা পল আর
সুকন্যা সরকার তিনজনই আছে। যাও,
বিদিশা শেঠ, সুকন্যা সরকার। Now we would call students from Indian Institute of Cerebral Palsy. Shoumen Bagdi. Shoumen Bagdi acho? Okay, to dhar, okay, to dhar. Shoumen Bagdi. Aman Sahani. IICP.
আইআইসিপি একজনই আছে তো? আইআইসিপি আর কেউ নেই?
Aman Shah is not here. TLF এখানেও আছে, ওখানেও আছে, দিচ্ছি। যারা পায়নি তারা দিচ্ছি। অর্ণব ডাকছে, যাও। With this, we end with our certificate distribution, and we congratulate all the students who have received this certificate of excellence for their wonderful drawings. Please give them a big hand.